Google Tag Manager, or GTM, is a universal way to manage tags. It lets you add analytics plus marketing and other tools to the Allpay checkout page. To enable the GTM module, go to your Allpay settings. Open Settings, then Modules, and locate GTM in your dashboard. In the near future, it will move to a separate section. An integration section will appear here. So don't lose it, it will be there. For now, in the modules, we find GTM, go inside, and activate the module. Activating this module actually adds a new block to the payment link settings, which is located here and is called Google Tag Manager. You now only need to add your container ID here. Go to Google Tag Manager. Click Create Account here. Fill in the fields. Specify the name of the container. It is best if it is a name that helps you understand where exactly your container is inserted. And here, specify Web as the platform. That is, since all payment pages essentially open as website pages, whether the client opens them from a phone or a computer. Now, after we have created the container, Google suggests inserting its code into the page. You don't need to do this. In fact, this is already done. When you toggle this switch here, it adds this code to the payment page. Therefore, we close this window, and all you need to do is copy this ID and paste it here. Save. Now for this payment link, the Google container is inserted on this payment page. Now in Google Tag Manager, you can add tags, that is, those parts of the code that will be loaded into this container. To do this, we click on creating a new tag here. You can specify any name here. Here we choose what kind of tag it will be. You can either select from pre-installed options like Google Analytics and so on, or insert custom HTML, meaning your tag, possibly code from another resource or another metric, or in principle, it could be any other code. Accordingly, you insert it here. I will not insert anything here now. Let's imagine that there is a certain code here. You also select a trigger that will activate this tag's action. What should occur to make script running? Here you can select page initialization, meaning that the tag will trigger when the page launches, when client just opened the page. Then you save this tag, and you need to remember to click here on the Submit button to publish the changes. To better understand how Google Tag Manager works, use the official documentation and various tutorial videos. To remove the container from the link, simply turn off this switch and save the link. If you want to disable all tags that were added for all links, you need to go to the modules and disable the Google Tag Manager module. It is important to understand that Google Tag Manager offers great possibilities, but also carries certain risks. Although we have hidden credit card data from any tags, third-party tags can still collect unnecessary data or interfere with the payment process. You are responsible for the security of tags in your account. Add scripts only from trusted sources and give access to your Google Tag Manager account only to trusted people.